Hey, good morning. Welcome back to my little corner of the channel. Appreciate you being here. It's about as good as it gets for an intro. I'm just here to share how I have smoother, more productive mornings during the week. I do it on weekends sometimes too, depends. Mind you, I normally get up at 5. First thing I do is fold something. Doesn't matter what. If you're a single person, make your bed. Since I sleep with Jeremy every night, I can't just make my bed. So I literally get up and I fold something. Next thing I do is drink some water. Step outside. I breathe. I listen. I enjoy the sounds of nature. If you don't enjoy the sounds of nature, something's wrong with you. And that's maybe why our earth is on fire. That's why I get up at 5. I do these things. I move my body for about 20 to 30 minutes. I guess it's kind of cardio with it. Sometimes it's a CrossFit WOD as long as it's light and not too heavy. Share my workout today, even though it's now 9 a.m. The next thing I do is called the Wim Hof breathing method. I don't really know how to explain this to you other than you need to look it up and you need to do it. Unless you're pregnant or have other health conditions that you should not mess with your breathing. But if you're not, then don't be lazy and just do it. And I love doing it every single morning. It takes the weight off of my shoulders. It makes me feel like I can handle whatever bullshit is thrown my way for the next 12-ish hours until I can, later in the night do my actual weightlifting session. I love doing it especially during the week when my kids go to school because mornings are stressful. If you're me, you gotta do all the things. Let's do the workout. Let's do the Wim Hof. Let's get on with this busy day. This is the screen timer that I use to keep my breathing on track. In case you're wondering, it's Joe Rogan breathing. Joe Rogan's the best. Some tips for this breathing method. Definitely recommend a quiet, controlled place. I recommend closing your eyes, laying down. Often get very lightheaded. You see spots, your vision kind of changes, your hearing changes, you kind of get that tunnel hearing, tingling in your fingers, kind of in your face. You'll get like this cold effect. When I first started doing this, I was only able to do 1 round because the tingling feeling was so intense. I thought I was having like an anxiety attack. Sometimes I felt like the rest of the things I had going on was too much, so I would just start crying, and it would be like crying because this method was just releasing so much. It's normal to feel an aching in your back, your ribs, your diaphragm because you're breathing so deeply. After I do my breathing method though, I always step back outside, breathe in some more fresh air. I come back in, I get something good for my body to eat, usually not too heavy, read something that's good for my brain while I eat something that's good for my body. Again, not too long. I usually do this all within an hour. So like, 5 minutes getting up, doing some folding, some breathing, some drinking pre-workout, 20 to 30 minutes moving my body, 15 to 20 minutes breathing with Wim Hof, and then, the rest is the rest before I get on with packing lunches and shit. Thank you for coming to my little corner of this channel. Hang out with me, let me bring different things to the channel. Thanks for letting me be me. I need friends. Drink the free. Who doesn't love the sound of Joe Rogan breathing? Whatever. Fuck it. I should come up with like some normal welcome. Adios. Get the fuck out. Go on with your day. Do something productive. Kind of shit.